Agenda-setting theory is the idea that the media doesn't tell people what to think, but rather what to think about. This means that when the news covers certain topics more than others, those topics become more important in the public's mind. The theory suggests that the media plays a big role in shaping which issues people see as important, even if they don't directly tell them what opinions to have. The theory originated in the 1970s with researchers Maxwell McCombs and Donald Shaw. They studied how the media influenced what issues people talked about during elections. By comparing the topics in the news with what people said were important issues, they found a strong link. This showed that the more the media talked about something, the more the public saw it as an important issue. One clear example of agenda setting is the coverage of climate change. For many years, the media didn't focus much on climate change, so it wasn't a top concern for many people. But as news outlets started to report more on it, the public began to see it as one of the biggest global issues. Similarly, during elections, when the news covers certain policies or candidates more than others, it can make those topics or people seem more significant to voters. One strength of agenda-setting theory is that it explains how the media influences people's priorities. It helps us understand why some issues, like healthcare or crime, are seen as more important at certain times. By highlighting specific issues, the media can focus public attention on problems that need solutions. This can lead to important discussions and even changes in policy. However, a weakness of the theory is that it assumes people only get their information from the media. In today's world, people also get information from social media, friends, and other sources. The media is no longer the only place people go for news, so its power to set the agenda might not be as strong as it once was. An alternative to agenda-setting theory is framing theory. Framing theory suggests that the way information is presented, the frame, influences how people think about it. For example, a news story about job losses can be framed as a sign of a bad economy, or as a temporary setback. This shows how not just the topics covered, but also how they are discussed can shape public opinion.